I want to show you something because I have some housekeeping rules, not because I like rules, just because to show you how I implement rules into my setup. Of course, there are different ways to do such things. You can, I don't know, have a PowerPoint, which has the rules of the day, the agenda, or whatever. The second thing is you can use the chat and copy and paste something there, or you can just talk to people and tell them. But I think visuals work best. That's why I have to look for the right button. I have to look for the right button. Let me see. So I have no tush, but it's just imagine it. So tush, and I have prepared some housekeeping rules for today. And first of all, I know you know, but still, please make sure that you are on mute. Otherwise, I can mute you. Of course, you can talk to me. This is, I'm not taking it serious. If there's anything at any point, please unmute yourself and talk to me. I'm just I hate it. I'm just trying to demonstrate something. I have a visual, and if I close it later, you will, maybe when you see this little icon, you will remind yourself, oh, he doesn't want us to talk. This is not a conversation. It's a one-man show, right? Okay. Moving on, the second thing, and you are doing great as far as I can see, is please feel free to leave your cameras on. Because I can see you, you can see me. So if, of course, if you don't want to, it's totally fine to turn your cameras off, but I would appreciate it if you have your cameras on so I know who I'm talking to. That's great. The third thing for today is, which you are already doing, but please use the chat to connect with each other, to chat, to share bad jokes. If you have a specific question that's addressed to me about something I said, something I didn't say, something I'm doing, you have any question or want clarification, please just start your message in the chat with a Q:, and then add whatever your question is. This has a special purpose. You will see it later. So if you are just having a conversation, it doesn't matter. But if there's something that you need my attention for and want to address it towards me and want an answer probably, then just start your question like this. I'm using the chat. Hello, I have questions. So something like this. I will explain later. I need a little bit of trust. I will explain later why. And now I have one left, and the last one is this one. Just like the caveman or cave women, if you want to give me feedback or just, I don't know, share emotions, you can use the chat to just paste or just to add an emoji. It doesn't matter which emoji you choose. It doesn't matter which emoji you choose. You can just try it out, and maybe you will see what happens, and I will explain it to you later on. So, looks like this, and probably I'm always pointing in the wrong direction. It's here. You can see things behind me floating through my room, which is just your reaction, so you can, it's a photobombing, but whatever it is. I said it the last time, but I will repeat myself. You can send any emoji. There is one, I don't know, if you want to send me the poop emoji, if it's not feedback, it's fine. If it's feedback, please unmute yourself and just tell me what the problem is. But if it just meant ironic and as a joke or because it looks fun, please feel free. If you are not used to my humor, I'm only joking, so please don't take anything of what I'm saying too serious today. I'm just trying to have fun and facilitate you.